Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day in Colorado. This is Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you're seeing, drop us a like. Today's vehicle is a 2017 International DuraStar 4300. It's a 26-foot box truck with a ramp and a liftgate. This truck has 134,071 miles, and it's been DOT inspected. We'll go ahead and start off with the tires here, which have plenty of life on them. It's your 50-gallon fuel tank. This truck's GVWR is 26,000 pounds, so it's non-CDL. Means you don't have to have that CDL license to drive this one. Here's the dual rear tires. Plenty of life on those. Checking out the cargo area. Here's your lift gate. I'll go ahead and demonstrate this right here. Right before I do that, here's your ramp. Liftgate's capacity is 3,000 pounds. It's max on liftgate. We'll go ahead and head on in. You've got a set of V-tracks here, translucent roof. Here are your dome lights. All right, let's check out that passenger side. Check out the tires here. This truck has been fully reconned. It's in great condition. All right, well, let's check out the interior. Heading on in. This truck has been fully detailed on the inside and the outside, and underneath the hood as well. All right, let's start her up. The vehicle is going to do all of its checks that it needs to do. You'll see that check engine light flashing, and then it'll go away. All right, and here's your 134,071 miles. Air conditioning blows nice and cold, much needed on these summer days. You also have cruise control here. Awesome. All right, let's check out that engine. You've got a 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6. Great engines, we love working with them. This is coupled with an Allison, automatic Allison transmission. Now these engines, as you might know, can last up to 400,000 miles, but we've seen them last much longer. Of course, with all the proper care. Alrighty, that'll wrap it up for today's 2017 International DuraStar 4300. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, like to see some more pictures, some more videos, please visit our website. I'll link that in the description below. I'll also put that phone number in there. Alright, well as always, thank you all for watching and have a great one.